Hi, now that lockdown's eased a bit, I've been able to get a bit of work done. So I've done some stump carvings, which have gone really well. I've really enjoyed doing them. So I'll show you some pictures of what I've been doing. But before I do that, I bought some new chainsaws. Hang on a second, let me show you. Oh yeah, love it. I wonder how long they'll stay that clean for. So if you've got a tree that needs felling, or a stump that's been sat there for a while doing nothing, consider having it carved. Something to make the garden look amazing for years and years to come. Have a look at my website, and if you want me to come and have a look, I'll see what I can do for you. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe.